نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم اما بعد فاعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وجاهدوا في الله حق جهاده آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم الأمين إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا حبيب الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا سيدي يا نبي الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear listeners, my name is Qamar Fareed. Today I want to say something about Palestine. Palestine is crying, Palestine is bleeding. O Muslim leaders, wake up. O Muslim leaders, wake up. O Muslim leaders, wake up. Palestine is burning, Palestine is screaming, but Palestine is standing, Palestine is strong, Palestine is brave. The people of Palestine have no food, they have no water, but they have strong heart, they have big faith. The people of Palestine, they have no safety, but they have courage. The enemies think they can scare them, but they cannot break them. The enemies think they can scare them, but Allah is with them. Children in Gaza are like lions, mother in Gaza are like mountains, father in Gaza are like warriors. We are small, but we are not silent. We are young, but we are not weak. We say free Palestine. We say free Palestine. We say free Palestine. We say stop the war. We say stop the war. The buildings break, the bombs fall, but they are shook, not shake. O Muslim leaders, wake up. O Muslim leaders, wake up. O Muslim leaders, wake up. How long will you sleep? How long will you watch? You have power, you have money, but where is your voice? But where is your voice? Speak for the people of Palestine. Stand for the children of Palestine. If you stay silent, how will help them? O enemies of Islam, listen. Palestine is rise again. With Allah's help them, they will win. O enemies of Islam, beware. You can kill the body, not the soul. You can break the wall, not the will. Palestine is not alone. We are with them. Allah is with them. I stand